Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today on this video I am going to show you 2 ways of how to be creative for this Christmas. And I'm not talking about the decorations, but I am talking about the 2 ways of Christmas gift. Right now it's a little bit messy, and because I am preparing all the stuff that I'm going to use for my Christmas gift, and this is my first product that I thought, and I'm going to show you. I bought this at the store of Pier 1. Here, this is a like a lamp. There's like a 2-door lamp that you can open and then put something inside. I really like this one, and it's cheap. I bought it for like $6. And the other one, very simple and easy. It's gonna be, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna put something inside, like a garden, kind of a Christmas garden, and then here too, like a Christmas garden. And I'm going to show you all the products, the things that I'm going to use for 2 of this. You know, this video is also about making a Christmas gift on a budget. So yeah, so the 3 stores that I went to is, like I said, a Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Pier 1. And this one, just like I said earlier, I only got this for $6, so that's why I bought it. And I really like it. There's like gems, and yeah, I like it, that's why I bought it. So yeah, I hope you like this video and subscribe. Actually, this is actually a very nice gift idea on a budget. So yeah, this is only for $6. So I'd never really spent a lot of money on this gift. So yeah, it takes a lot of creativity and a lot of thinking, but I'm sure all of you out there are also creative. So whatever you do, you have to do it with all your heart. So yeah,